an elite choice of investments of office spaces that are lucrative and finely designed and exclusively presented just for you to reach heights. Presenting to you Kalpatru Vertis, located in the prime locations of Vikhroli West on the JVLR road. Strategically located at the Gandhinagar junction, it offers seamless connectivity across Mumbai via all the sources. Talking about it, Kanjurmarg railway station is approximately 7 to 8 minutes walking. Apart from that, Gandhinagar metro that connects you from Thane to Wadala and Vikhroli to Andheri from all the directions is just approximately 5 minutes from the project. And the international airports like the current international airport is approximately 25 minutes and the Navi Mumbai International Airport approximately 1 hour from the distance. Eastern Expressway is just 2 to 3 minutes drive, and so for Western Expressway would be 11 minutes. So this was all about the connectivity that you get from Kalpatru Vertis. Now I shall give you the project overview. Let's go. Talking about the project overview and the office spaces now, this is an A-grade IGBC certified project, one of the tallest towers in the near business districts, and in my words, I would call it the near to perfection project. And now talking about the project, now there are two major entries. One is for the office bearer and the visitors, and other is for the retail store owners and the back-end people. And this is a G+30 story building in which the ground level is for the retail stores, and then you have your 10 level ample car parking surface and podium level parkings available. So from the 11th floor, we have our glass facade Vastu compliant semi-furnished boutique office spaces which do not have beams in between their offices, so that you can combine it anytime you want. They also come with washroom and pantries available. The carpet size for these offices are starting from 352 square feet, goes up to 1168 square feet. Talking about more about these, on each floor you get common washrooms for gents, ladies and differently abled people. Talking about the land parcel, the total land parcel is of around 51,000 square feet, but the floor plate is of around 13,000 square feet, which makes the land parcel and the landscaped areas open for casual settings. So you can see how mindfully and thoughtfully it is designed for the betterment and wellness of their employees. Talking about the tower, it is also a light facade tower, as you can recognize the tower from a very far distance. The solar panels are also given on the rooftop. This was our project overview for Kalpatru Vertis, and the pricing for this standard offices are starting from 1.65 CR, all inclusive with car parking. And for more information and booking purpose, please contact us on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.